Hey there, got 2 minutes? Let's boost your English speaking confidence, cartoon teacher style. Alright, first tip. Don't stress about your accent, everyone has one. What matters is making yourself understood, so speak up and don't hide your voice. Tip 2. Keep it simple. You don't need long, fancy words to sound smart. Start with short sentences like, "How are you? Can you help me?" Practice these until they roll off your tongue. Tip 3. Listen and repeat. Watch your favorite shows. Pause and mimic the actors. This helps with pronunciation and rhythm. Don't worry about getting it perfect, just keep going. Now here's a quick confidence booster. Smile when you speak. It helps your words sound clearer and makes you feel more relaxed. Give it a try, say, "Hello, nice to meet you," with a big smile. See? Feels better already. Next, don't rush. Speaking too fast can make you nervous and harder to understand. Slow down, take a breath, and think about what you want to say. And finally, practice out loud. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Narrate what you're doing. Ask a friend to chat. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Laugh at them, learn from them, and keep going. You've got this. If you want more quick tips like this, hit that subscribe button. Let me know your English goal in the comments. Thanks for watching. Now go show off your English confidence.